Well, we got a package in today from year one. It's a pretty hefty box. It's for this one right here. It's for the 440. Let me show you what we got. We got the manifolds in. I went with the HP manifolds. This is for the 69 Roadrunner. And I think they look good. The reproductions, I didn't want to put headers on it, so kind of make it look stock. The motor's really not that radical. It's got a mild comp cam. It's not really a thump or anything like that, so it's gonna run pretty good. But this is what we got. We got the left side and the right side, some gaskets, a Felpro kit. I think I even have one of these in my gasket stash here. But it comes with all the mounting hardware, the studs, the nuts. These right here for the right side. So it should be an easy install. I'm getting ready. Oh, I put the mounts on right there, both sides, left and right side. They're on already. So I'm getting ready to start putting it in. I got the suspension all done. It looks like it's going to be okay. My rotor started to rust, but we'll get it going. Just wanted to make a quick video on the status of this thing. I'm going to put these on and see how they fit. Probably just drop the whole motor with these on them, because then it's a pain in the butt to get it. I'm still waiting for the drive plate right there. I haven't got that yet. So once I get it, I'll put that in, and we'll bolt the tranny up. Well, once the motor's in place, we'll get all of that done. All right, let's put the manifolds on and we'll go from there. Well, I got the manifolds on. I have to say they look really good. I'm waiting for the flex plate. Should be in today, hopefully. But got both left and right side on, and I'm almost ready to start putting it in there. All right, let's wait for a flex plate, see what happens. All right, I took the motor out so I could put the manifolds on. I actually put it in there just to see if I had the mounts on correctly. I guess I did, so let's go ahead and put this motor, or engine rather, back inside here. And just like that, the motor goes in. It's already on the mounts there. I just got to put the bolt through there on both sides. You can see right there where it's going to match. And I have that engine stand there holding the block, or rather the whole motor there, from falling down or setting on the steering link there. But from here, it should be easy to go ahead and start assembling the transmission and putting it on. All right, let's get back to work. All right, I put the flamethrower, Petronix flamethrower distributor on it. I am going to run that distributor with the flamethrower, or whatever they call it, coil. Put it on here. It is going to have a Navy S carburetor. I ordered pulleys, the top pulley, the bottom pulley, and the alternator. I have some brackets here. I think I have some chrome ones that I'll just have painted or powder coated, whatever. But that's where I'm at. I worked on a little bit today, not a whole lot. Made sure the mounts are okay, and I found a flex plate, but I don't want to use it. I think I'm just going to buy one of those B&M or Pioneer neutral balance drive plate. Put it on there. Got a starter coming in, got the alternator, the brackets I have, and figure out what radiator we're going to use. And the transmission, it's in the back somewhere back there, so I'll bring that out and bolt the transmission on. All right, that's where we're at with this thing today, this weekend. It's Sunday afternoon. It's getting late already. It's pretty nice and shiny, but did some work on it. Didn't do any riding this weekend, so, and I got some other projects I got back there, so eventually we'll get done with everything. Just takes time and wanting to get out here and do it. Thanks again for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. Tell me what you think of this 440 build here, 69 Roadrunner. It's almost done, so once we get done with the front there, we're gonna concentrate on the back and keep going on it. Thanks for watching. Have a good week, rest of the week. Be safe, and see you next time.